And a young woman from Hawaii takes down a robber in the Big Easy. Our Stephanie Lum tells us how the Punahou graduate kept her family safe.
Keahi 18-year-old Masina Tupea stopped a mugger from stealing her mother's purse. The national powerlifting champion from Aiea says the crook messed with the wrong family. Masina Tupea and her family had just arrived in New Orleans last Tuesday and were on their way to dinner when they encountered trouble.
And that's when this guy just comes running. He straight up punches my mom right in the face and she drops immediately. It was insane. My dad yelled, "Masina, he just hit your mom and took her purse, go get him."
Adrenaline pumping, the teen who in 2019 set a national deadlifting record of nearly 320 pounds went after him.
I don't really think that he anticipated that I would be running after him.
Masina says they struggled and the man punched her in the face.
And I got up, I'm stumbling. I can't see out of my left eye. And I tackled him and he tries to tackle me into this car first. But I essentially threw him under the car and pinned him to the ground, telling me let me go, let me go. How dare you? I'm yelling in the street you mess with the wrong family, you mess with the wrong family.
Police arrested and charged 36-year-old Augustus Taylor, a career criminal. Masina's mom suffered a dislocated jaw. Masina had a black eye. The athlete has since been called a hero countless times, but Masina says it's what she learned growing up in Hawaii.
You get hit to get back up. That was something that felt really important to me, is that importance of getting back up again.
Now, Masina isn't encouraging people to fight back, but she says you should always remain vigilant and be aware of your surroundings. Stephanie Lum, Hawaii News Now.
Great story. Thank you, Steph. Kauai County has opened